Welcome to our first class. So the first thing we need to cover is what you will need for this class. Pretty much you don't need anything except be interested in learning more about Chinese Mandarin and pen and paper if you prefer to write notes on paper, or you can just type notes on your computer. I will have all the notes ready so you don't really have to rush through our lesson. Besides pen and paper, we are good to go. So let's go ahead and look at our first lesson for today. We are going to look at how Chinese is different from other languages. So let's take a look at this picture right here. What makes Chinese really different is that we have a different writing system. In English, we use the alphabets. In Chinese, we do have this romanization, but it's only for pinyin. Pinyin is our sound system. Literally, it means to put sounds together. So if you look at it, you'll be able to pronounce that character. And character, in this case, it'll be easier to imagine that being a picture, a symbol, and that symbol represents something. So let's take a look here. On the top, you see the Chinese character. In the middle, it's a pinyin, which is what we use to know how to make this sound. For now, just repeat after me. And the sound is ma. The meaning of this character is mother. The symbol on the top is what we call a character. So when you're learning a new character, you have to learn how it looks like, or maybe even how to write it, depending on your purpose. And then you also need to learn the sound of it. For example, the ma sound. You also need to know how to spell that if you need to type the sound out. So you have to memorize 2 steps. And in addition to that, you have to learn the meaning of it. So that's what makes Chinese really different. But don't feel stressed or anything like that because we are going to make this process fun and easy. Alright, so that is all for today's lesson. We learned how Chinese Mandarin is different from other languages. I will see you tomorrow. Bye!